Okay, so in order to get this assignment into Canvas as an external submission, here's what I did. First, I just clicked the link to take me to Edpuzzle. I logged in because this is created by Miss Easter. So I came down and clicked copy, and that'll copy it to my content. So now, my content, here we go. So now I have it in my content. So then I'm going to go back to this assignment and I'm going to edit it. I'm going to leave the instructions, but I'm going to delete the link because that goes to Miss Easter's link. And I want my own, I want the kids to go to my link. So I'm going to leave that that way. I'm going to go to submission and click external tool. And I'm going to find Edpuzzle. So then when I click Edpuzzle, it's going to give me a page. So it'll make you log in with Google and all of that stuff before you can get here. It took a few tries to get here. But once you get to this page, I'm going to select this one. And then I'm going to click assign. And it's asking me, do I want to assign this to this class? Yes, assign. And so now if I click select, you can see it has the Edpuzzle assignment link here. I'm going to turn this on so it doesn't show up until tomorrow, and then save. And so now they have the instructions here. They can watch this assignment, do the work, and it will show up in Canvas. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so I'm also going to do the same thing with Google to create an assignment. So here's the making connections with fiction. I'm going to click edit. And what I always do is I go to this link and I copy it and then paste it in a new tab, and I make my own copy. So then I click make a copy, and so now that I have my copy of, I'm going to move it. That's weird. Okay, I'm going to move it to my drive, and like I have my Canvas drive set up, so I'm going to move it here. I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it again. But then I'm going to put my instructions here, so fill in the form based on your choice from Bronx Masquerade. And I'm going to come down to, instead of a file upload, an external tool. And then scroll down to Google Doc Cloud Assignment. So click this. It's going to open my drive. So you can't create a Google Doc Cloud assignment from a shared drive. It has to be in your personal drive, which is why I made a copy and I moved it over. So then, Fiction Making Connections Graphic Organizer, I'm going to click Submit. I'm going to click Select. I'm going to change this so it's not available until tomorrow. I can leave this blank. It will stay available forever, but I can publish it now and it will be locked until tomorrow. And then I click Save. So now you do have to train the kids. They have this assignment. It's it's too small here to see. And I always tell them, click this link right here. It's going to open it in a new tab. It's still going to be their copy. So whatever they fill out here, so if I type in this box, they can go and check and make sure it's typing here. And it is. And then they will have a select button, or I'm sorry, a submit button down at the bottom. But this way I'm not getting things shared with me in Google over and over again. The other thing that I tell them is when they open Rapid Identity, click Google Drive, make sure they have Arlington ISD up here, and then click into Canvas. And that way they're logged into their Drive before they start trying to do Google Cloud assignments. All right, hope this helps.